Welcome to DelphStack. In this tutorial, we will explore the correct way to completely remove applications from your Ubuntu system. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, we will guide you through the process to ensure no residual files are left behind. Let's get started. To demonstrate the process, I'm going to remove Nginx from my system. First, we start by uninstalling the application using the Purge command. This removes both the application and its system-wide configuration files. Next, run the following command to remove any unused dependencies that were automatically installed with the application. This helps clean up packages that are no longer needed. Some applications leave behind user-specific configuration and cache files in your home directory. Manually remove them using the following commands. To search for any remaining related files or directories, use the following command. You can then delete the matching files or directories using rm-f command find. By following those steps, you can ensure that applications are completely removed from your Ubuntu system, preventing clutter and potential conflicts. For more tutorials, check out our other videos, like and subscribe for more insightful guides.